In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for a PDF file stored in Google Drive. This process is incredibly useful when you want to share documents quickly and efficiently without the need for lengthy URLs or cumbersome attachments. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to generate a QR code that can be scanned by anyone to access your PDF directly from Google Drive. To get started, first, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the PDF file that you wish to share. If it's not uploaded yet, click the New button on the left-hand side, then select File Upload and choose your desired PDF from your device. After locating the file in Google Drive, right-click on it. A context menu will appear, so go ahead and choose the Get Link option. This will open a new window, showing you the shareable link for your PDF. Before you copy this link, ensure that the link settings are appropriately configured. To share with anyone without restrictions, make sure you change the permissions from restricted to anyone with the link. Don't forget to click Copy Link once you've adjusted the settings. Now that you have your PDF's shareable link handy, it's time to generate the QR code. Open a new tab in your browser and search for a QR code generator. There are many free QR code generators available online, so choose one that suits your preference. Once you're on the QR code generator's website, look for the section where you can enter the URL. Paste the link you copied from Google Drive into the designated input field. After pasting the link, you'll likely see an option to customize your QR code. Some generators offer customization features like changing the color, adding a logo, or altering the design. Feel free to personalize your QR code if those options are available to you. After finalizing any customizations, look for the Generate button on the site and click it. Within moments, your QR code will be created. At this stage, you typically have the option to download the QR code image. Save it to your computer, making sure you remember its location for ease of access later. Now you have a QR code ready to be shared. This code can be inserted into documents, added to presentations, or even printed on marketing materials. When scanned with a smartphone or QR code app, it will lead directly to the PDF stored on your Google Drive, allowing anyone to view or download it easily. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a QR code for a PDF file in Google Drive, simplifying the document sharing process significantly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials.